First thing in the morning, shake out. Get the blood flowing. All right, let's do this. Yeah, but I just want to show you stuff I was talking about with the garage door. See that gap right there? And when I pull back, I don't know if you can really like see. Here, let me turn the camera kind of sideways. But that's a gap. That's where all of that air, that's where that air is coming through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up cutting this, and I got some more of these boards here, and I'm gonna end up buttoning it up just close enough so that the garage door can still operate. And it's like that. If you can see, almost, you can see how where this door used to be, it's almost like it was slid over that way. But when I go up on the top, see that gap? This is where all of that air is coming in. When I pull that back, look, this is like right into the, I don't know if you can see, but that's right into the garage. This is where all that air is coming from. So I'm gonna nip that in the bud because I can't work on this small shop and I got air coming in and everything. This one almost seems pretty decent, but like I said, the door needs to move back this way. And since I'm not gonna go in there and unhook all of the brackets and everything, because I don't really have a lot of know-how with putting garage doors in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this project started right now while it's still early, and then we're gonna get in there to that electric box and get all of that taken care of. So see you in a minute. Now you can see with that rubber piece gone, look how far away the door was. This is where all my heating and air is going. It's like that all the way around the door. Like up there, gotta take that one off. As we walk towards this one, you can see, look at that. This is where all of that cold air is coming from. Got it biting on the inside, you know what I mean? Three-quarters of an inch. That's a hell of a gap, man. That's a hell of a space for air to get in. Wow, it's a whole inch difference from down here. 82 and a half down here is 83 and a half down there. Who put this door in? Just need to do the top. Get this giant gap right here filled in. All that space, man. That is ridiculous. Let's see if this bad boy opens with no issues. No issues. Trying to see if anything is moving. Nope. And what I'll do is, like I said, I gotta go get another piece to fill this little. It's a shame that I gotta buy a whole strip. Well, no, I think these strips right here were linear feet, so I might just have to get like a 2-foot piece or something like that, finish that, and I'll get the weather stripping, and we'll be back later so we can get in there and get to that electric, because I'm not trying to be fooling with that no more past today. Hell with them spiders. Well, let's go on in here to Home Depot where nobody knows how to do anything or suggest anything. And this is why I should have never gotten rid of my Suburban. What's up, guys? I got that all buttoned up outside. I had to, like I say, put on that little smaller piece. It was about 18 inches or so. Got that put on there, got it caulked as you saw. And when I came back in here, everything where it was a gap, other than those two little pieces at the bottom, you know what I mean? Like the bottom weather strip on the door goes all the way over, but for some reason, I guess where it's cut, is showing daylight, so I think I'm just gonna put some more silicone or something down there in the two corners or something like that. Silicone is not going to adhere to the rubber piece anyway, so that's a win-win. You'll probably still see daylight, but we know it'll be sealed off. Man, it feels way better in here. There is no draft. Like, you can still feel that it's the garage per se, but it's not biting and bitterly cold in here anymore, so I'm happy about that. Well, I'm gonna cut this video short because my hands are kind of tired. They have been outside, they're cold. Well, they're not really cold, but they still got a funny feeling to them. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload some more stuff I did with the electrical panel over there in the next video. Remember to hit that like, share, subscribe to the video, send it to your friends, send it to whoever. I'm gonna put it on Facebook, like I said, and a few other little platforms. But for right now, my wife just showed up and she brought some pizza and she said that I had to stop. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I'll get back with y'all later, all right? All right then, peace.